Welcome to Brightsight, where we explore the wonders of the universe, one mind-blowing idea at a time. Have you ever wondered about the theories that redefine what we know about life, the cosmos, and reality itself? Today, we're diving into the most astonishing scientific theories ever conceived. Number 12. The Erotic universe. Theory: what if the Big Bang wasn't the true beginning of our universe? The Erotic universe theory takes us on a mind-bending journey beyond the widely accepted Big Bang idea. According to this theory, our universe didn't start as a singularity. Instead, it was born from a cosmic collision, an epic crash between two parallel universes. This colossal collision acted as a reset button, kickstarting the expansion of the universe we know today. But here's the twist. Unlike the idea that the universe will expand forever, the Erotic theory predicts something incredible. One day, the universe will stop expanding and begin to contract, leading to what scientists call the Big Crunch. And guess what happens after the Big Crunch? Another monumental collision sparks a new cosmic cycle, a reset so powerful that the universe is born again, and this process could repeat for all eternity. Could our universe be part of an infinite cycle of cosmic rebirths? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing theories right here on Brightsight. Number 11. The existence of white holes. We've all heard of black holes, those cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck in everything, even light. But have you ever wondered if the universe has an opposite? Enter the white hole. Theoretically, a white hole does the exact opposite of a black hole. Instead of devouring matter, it spits it out in an awe-inspiring display of energy. Sounds wild, right? Here's the catch. No one has ever seen one. White holes remain purely hypothetical, existing only in the realm of extreme theoretical physics. Some scientists speculate that a white hole could be the other end of a black hole connected through a wormhole. But for that to work, matter falling into a black hole would somehow need to avoid being crushed by the singularity and instead emerge intact from the white hole. The mystery doesn't stop there. Black holes are already shrouded in secrecy because their event horizons hide everything that happens inside. If white holes do exist, they could force us to completely rethink our understanding of physics and the universe itself. Could white holes hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of black holes or even the fabric of space-time? Number 10. The FMY Paradox. Where is everyone? With billions of stars and potentially habitable planets in our Milky Way galaxy alone, it seems almost certain that intelligent alien civilizations should exist. Yet here we are, listening to the deafening silence of the cosmos. This puzzling contradiction is known as the FMY Paradox, a concept originally proposed by physicists Enrico Fermi and Michael H. Hart. Why haven't we heard anything? No signals, no messages, no signs of intelligent life. This eerie quiet has been dubbed the Great Silence. Could it be that intelligent civilizations self-destruct before they reach out? Or perhaps something even stranger is going on. One of the most fascinating theories suggests that we might all be living in a matrix-like simulation. If that's true, then the lack of alien contact isn't because they don't exist. It's because the simulation doesn't include them. What if the universe as we know it is just a carefully crafted program? So, is the Great Silence a sign of cosmic doom, or are we simply players in a simulated reality? Let us know what you think in the comments. Number 9. The simulation theory. Is reality just an illusion? What if everything you've ever experienced, your life, the universe, reality itself, is nothing more than a highly advanced computer simulation? Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's the twist. Some of the world's leading scientists and physicists believe the simulation theory isn't just possible, it might actually be true. In fact, a team of German physicists is actively working on creating their own programmed simulation of the universe to test this mind-bending hypothesis, and the evidence doesn't stop there. Theoretical physicist S. James Gate made a jaw-dropping discovery while studying string theory. He found something astonishing buried within the equations that describe our universe, a specific type of computer code. And not just any code, this was an error-correcting binary code, the same kind used in modern technology to ensure data integrity. Yes, we're talking about ones and zeros embedded in the quantum fabric of reality itself. Could this mean our entire existence is a programmed illusion? Are we living out our lives as part of an advanced alien experiment? Or is this theory just another glitch in our understanding of reality? Let us know your thoughts on the simulation theory in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending content right here on Brightside, because sometimes the truth really is stranger than fiction. Number 8. The universe is a hologram. Is reality just a cosmic illusion? Imagine looking up at the night sky, gazing at the countless stars and galaxies scattered across the cosmos. Now, what if I told you that what you're seeing isn't really out there, but is instead a holographic projection? Sounds mind-blowing, doesn't it? This is the idea behind the holographic universe theory, which suggests that our entire universe is like an image projected onto a cosmic screen. In this theory, the distant stars, galaxies, and even the space we exist in are more like a detailed illusion, a hologram generated by the universe itself. Here's how it works. A hologram is created when a laser beam interacts with an object and reflects onto a surface. Another light source then illuminates this pattern, producing a 3D image. Now, scientists propose that if gravitational waves create variations in light patterns, it could mimic this holographic process, forming the universe as we perceive it. If this theory is ever proven correct, it would mean rethinking almost everything we know about the cosmos, from space and time to the very nature of reality. The universe as we know it could be a grand cosmic hologram. So, is the universe really just a dazzling illusion? Number 7, can black holes create entirely new universes? We often think of black holes as the dark, destructive forces of the universe, cosmic reapers that devour everything in their path. But what if they're not just the end of the road? What if black holes are actually the creators of new universes? Here's the fascinating idea. When matter falls into a black hole, it's compressed into a point so dense that it could be spit out into another realm, forming an entirely new universe. Think of black holes not as cosmic dead ends, but as doorways to infinite possibilities, a nursery for baby universes. This theory also aligns with the concept of the multiverse, the idea that our universe might just be one of countless others. In fact, some astronomers speculate that our universe could be the product of a black hole in another universe. Imagine that. Our very existence might owe itself to the mysterious power of a black hole. Though pinpointing black holes remains a challenge, they're hidden by their event horizons. This theory flips the narrative. Black holes aren't just cosmic destroyers, they might be the ultimate creators, giving rise to entire new realities. Could black holes really be the mothers of new universes? Number 6. The many worlds theory. Infinite choices, infinite universes. What if every decision you've ever made, no matter how big or small, created an entirely new universe? Welcome to the many worlds theory, a mind-blowing idea that takes the concept of the multiverse to a whole new level. Unlike theories that suggest new universes are born from black holes, the many worlds theory claims that universes are created every time we make a decision. Whether it's choosing paper or plastic, turning left or right, or even deciding what to eat for breakfast, each choice spawns a new universe where the opposite decision plays out. That means there's a version of you in another universe living out the life you didn't choose. According to quantum mechanics, this theory hinges on the idea that matter can't condense to a singularity. Instead, every possibility must exist simultaneously in parallel realities. So, every decision you make creates a chain reaction, branching into infinite universes where every possible outcome is played out to its fullest. If this is true, the implications are staggering. There would be an infinite number of universes for every decision made by every person throughout history. A multiverse so vast it's almost impossible to comprehend. So could the many worlds theory explain the existence of countless parallel universes? And if so, what decisions are you making in your other lives? Number 5. The heat death of the universe, the end of everything. Imagine a universe where everything, every star, every galaxy, every bit of energy gradually fades away into nothingness. This chilling concept is known as the heat death of the universe, and it's one of the most sobering theories about the ultimate fate of our cosmos. This theory is rooted in the second law of thermodynamics, which states that in an isolated system, energy tends to spread out and become more disordered over time. In the context of the universe, this means that as time passes, energy will be evenly distributed, leading to a state where no work can be done and everything is in perfect equilibrium. In an infinite universe, this would mean that eventually all matter and energy would reach the same uniform temperature. Stars would burn out, galaxies would fade, and the universe would become a dark, cold, stagnant place. There would be no more motion, no more life, just a frozen, lifeless expanse. But for this theory to hold true, the universe would need to be infinitely old, and the rate of expansion would have to remain constant. This creates a major conflict with other theories like cosmic inflation, which suggests that the universe expanded at an incredibly rapid rate at its beginning. So, is heat death a certainty, or is it just one possibility among many? Could the heat death of the universe be the ultimate end of everything we know, or is there another fate awaiting us out there in the vastness of space?
Number 4. Observing dark energy is an act of murder. Theoretical physicist Lawrence Krauss once stated that every time we look at dark energy, we're killing the universe. According to astrophysicists, dark energy makes up an estimated 70% of all the energy in the entire universe and holds the secrets to many of the unexplainable peculiarities we see in deep space. Krauss suggests that the Big Bang was initiated when some unusual high energy with gravity-repellent properties decayed into zero energy, and it was the process of going from a false vacuum to an ordinary vacuum that resulted in the creation of our universe. From this, Krauss's argument follows that if dark energy is continuously observed, we are keeping it unstable and reducing the universe's lifespan by forcing it back to that state when it was a false vacuum. But with so many of the mysteries of our universe pointing to dark energy as the key to understanding them, you can bet your bottom dollar that astronomers and physicists aren't going to stop studying it anytime soon. Let's just hope those effects are negligible. Number 3. The Panspermia Theory. Panspermia is a Greek word that translates literally as seeds everywhere. The Panspermia Theory states that the seeds of life are present throughout the universe and can be propagated through interstellar space or even intergalactic space through natural means. A growing number of people are even subscribed to the hypothesis that life on Earth may have begun from the seeds carried to our planet by meteorites and comets originating from the vast reaches of the cosmos. The recent discovery of various extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme environments we previously thought were incapable of supporting life, here on Earth has contributed a great deal of credibility to this theory. It's now known that life as we know it can survive in environments of extreme heat, extreme cold, intense radiation, and lack of oxygen. All conditions an organism might experience while stowing away on an interstellar comet or meteor. Number 2. The Singularity Ray Kurzweil is a prominent futurist who wholeheartedly believes that in the coming decades, humanity will experience what he refers to as a technological singularity, by which we will learn to transcend biology itself and all the limitations, including death, associated with it. Kurzweil reasons that truly intelligent civilizations, which he believes humanity to be, are destined to evolve into superintelligent, possibly machine-based beings whose computational powers grow exponentially. The idea is that once we hit this so-called singularity, our technology will be so advanced that we'll be making revolutionary new breakthroughs on practically a daily basis. We'll be able to harness the power of our own sun in order to accomplish amazing interstellar feats, once only dreamed of in science fiction. In this world, things like cyberbrains, Dyson spheres, and teleportation devices aren't just possible, they're practically inevitable. Of course, this theory has plenty of skeptics, including Noam Chomsky, who believes it to be nothing more than a science fiction enthusiast's dream, while others simply believe we humans will carelessly destroy ourselves before ever reaching the singularity. Number 1. Retroactive Precognition. In 2011, Dr. Darrell J. Bem of Cornell University published a highly contentious paper titled Feeling the Future: Experimental Evidence for Anomalous Retroactive Influences on Cognition and Affect. The paper describes a series of experiments conducted by Bem in an effort to discover precognition, knowledge of future events. Working on the assumption that there are what he refers to as anomalous processes of information or energy transfer that are currently unexplained in terms of known physical or biological mechanisms. The evidence Bem gathered led him to conclude that future events could indeed affect a person's cognition in the present. In one study, Bem rounded up 1,000 college students and tested each of their ability to correctly intuit random information. Another study involved a reverse memory test, in which participants were asked to categorize random words that they later had to commit to memory. Astonishingly, the results from this test showed that students were more likely to recall words in the present if they made a point of memorizing them in the future. And there you have it, some of the most mind-blowing scientific theories ever conceived, theories that challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. From dark energy that could be killing the universe to the possibility that parallel worlds exist right next to us. The very fabric of reality itself is far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.